We're joined with head coach Dan Jordan of the rifle team following a victory over UTEP, and then you had a little bit more fun with the individual final and then the low man out. So just talk about the day overall.
Yeah, not a bad day today. A lot of improvement over what we did down in Nebraska. Definitely still some points to pick up there and little things for people to do, but you know, all in all, pretty solid, especially in small bore, solid scores all the way across. Air gun, we had 3 real solid people, 2 others that did good, but I didn't put them on the starting team. But you know, that's the way it goes when you got a lot of depth in there. And so, you know, we kind of did good through there, and then the final that we ran today was real good experience because they're going to see that kind of thing at nationals, and we don't get to see that at most matches that we go to. So to get some crowds down here and have some fun and support them it's a really good experience.
It was kind of interesting. Normally when you're at a rifle match, it's very quiet, and you don't get clapping, you don't get cheering, but you even had, you know, yourself, you, and Coach Lane, you guys single-handedly cost a couple of your guys in the low man out. It was a different atmosphere, but it was a fun one.
Yep, you got to heckle them a little, put some pressure on them, you know, and teach them that concentration stuff. That's where it makes a big difference. So.
Well, it was a season-high score on the team side. Just talk about that day and how you think that will help going forward. West Virginia coming in pretty quick turnaround.
I think, you know, season high, yes it is, but there's still a lot of room for improvement there. But I think what it did is it gave people a lot more confidence that, you know, things are kind of coming together. And as soon as we can get all 4 people and both guns clicking, you know, that's really going to make us a big jump. So it sets us up a lot better for West Virginia.
All right, Coach. Well, thanks for the time. Congrats on the win and the fun that we had after the match was over. And we'll see you for West Virginia in a couple weeks.
Absolutely. Thanks much.